Okay, in this question I'm going to consider how to find trig ratios if you're given one of the ratios and you're given a domain for x. And the trick to these is always to consider a right angle triangle that fits the ratio you're given, and then to consider the sign. So I know that using my cast diagram, 0, pi on 2, pi, 3 pi on 2, to help me get the right sign. So what do I know? I know cosec x equals 2. So that's cosec is 1 over sine. X is equal to 2. So I know that sine x is equal to a half. That's one of them done. But this now enables me to write on my triangle. If this is the angle, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. I can use my triangle then to get the third side of this triangle. So 2 squared minus 1 squared. There we go. So straight away then, I need to just double check the signs of these. I know that x is between pi on 2 and pi. So I know that the only one that is positive is sine, and therefore cosec as well. So I know that that's going to be fine. I can then go to do the other ones. I know that cos x, go to my triangle, cos is adjacent on hypotenuse. And in this domain, I know that cosine is negative. So I've got to make sure I include the negative sign. Once I've got cos, I've also got sec x, because sec is just 1 over cos. So that's minus 2 on root 3. Similarly, I can come along and I can write tan x very quickly. Tan is opposite on adjacent, so 1 on root 3. In the domain, pi on 2 to pi, sine is the only one that's positive, so tan is certainly negative. Cot x I know is 1 over tan, so is going to be root 3 and is also negative. So I can then use those to go on and answer more questions. If it asks me about sine 2x, cos 2x, I can use trig ratios to go on and calculate the values of those as well.